Hey, we have a Bridgeport-Hardinge vertical machining center model GX480, serial number NV LB0F0057. Machine was new in 2010. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Fanuc OIMD CNC control, 40 taper BT. 2,000. Machine goes up to 10,000 RPM. 4,500. It also has a 20 position side mount automatic tool changer. That's 7,000 RPM. You have a T-slotted table, 23.6 by 15.8. You have 18.9 inches of X travel. We're going to do a tool change right now. 15.75 of Y and 16.93 of Z. Another tool change. That's your vertical, your Z, your Y, and your X. Okay, you've seen all the axes move, you saw the spindle go up to 7,500 RPM, and you've seen it simulate a tool change. Hey, thank you for watching our video.